Hello and welcome to the AgentBaseConnect agent demonstration. I am Megan Chapa. I am a travel agent and I was privileged to be a part of the beta testing and contribution team for this amazing software. Also on this call is Mickey Smith, and he is our head programmer and he knows this program better than anyone else. So who better to demonstrate it? Welcome, Mickey.
Hi, Megan. Thank you. I wanted to talk through the interface of the regular homepage when you come to AgentBaseConnect.com. The first thing that you'll see is that the information for the program itself is back here on these 4 left links. And that's just some background information for you to make up your mind to get signed up. And of course, the sign up is over here on the right. You'd go through and fill out your information just as it is and choose which program best suits you, and then agree to the terms and conditions and register. And once you do, you would get the information back from AgentBaseConnect that's going to guide you to your own unique URL. Currently, you'd notice you're on www.agentbaseconnect, but when you get your own URL back, you might be on something different of your own choosing. And this one, for example, is demo.agentbaseconnect, and we're ready to sign in. Before we do, I wanted to give a little bit of background as far as compatibility goes. We've worked hard to make sure that this is very cross-compatible, and you should be able to use AgentBaseConnect on any computer, any tablet, or any phone, and you should be able to use it on any browser, whether you're on Mac or PC or Android base. And we don't have a problem with Internet Explorer. We don't have a problem with Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. So if you're on any of the regular browsers, we're ready for you. And if you have any issues of them, we'll be ready to address those as they come. Megan, do you have any background on that?
Yeah, some commentary. I love this program because one, it is all online. It's not a downloadable software. So whatever I'm on, I can access it through. So I can do it on my phone, I can do it on my laptop. And this program has allowed me to go down to one laptop because previously I had to do all of my travel things on an old PC and make sure it was virus free and had Internet Explorer 8 and was heavy. And then on the rest of my life, I was using my Mac. So this has consolidated me to one laptop, and I get to use the browsers and extensions that I prefer and access it anywhere. So thank you, Mickey, for the great work there. It makes my life easier, and I'm sure it will make everyone else's lives easier also.
Well, thanks a lot, Megan. Okay, let's go ahead and log into our demo account here. And as we do, we will arrive. The first thing that we're going to see here is the dashboard. And the dashboard is an important place because this is basically your home page for the software. You'll notice that we've got clients here, and our clients section is going to list the most recent clients that you've dealt with on the left. It has your booking manager, and so it's going to give you the most recent trips and bookings that you've been dealing with right here. You can click to open them. Your calendar at a glance is going to give you the information that you need in order to manage your business and remind you of events that are coming up that maybe you should remember because it's an extra added client event like upcoming client passport expirations, or maybe you've got a client that's getting ready to head out of town and you want to keep them updated and send them a congratulations or a reminder. All of these are great, and even more important are when you get your check reminders, and those will come here as well. The reports that we have here on the home page give the most common reports that you'll be using as an agent over here on the left-hand side. They're easy to find here, easy to click through from here, but they're also in the top navigation. We just put them on the dashboard because they're commonly used. Your agent resources is a special consideration here because as an agent, you can keep anything that you usually click on or that you usually go to as far as your bookings go, as far as the business goes, as far as the industry grows. And you have the ability to upload those and keep those private from everybody else. But at the same time, if you are the host and you want to upload something that everyone can see, maybe there's a training or there's something coming, or there's some just some information that everyone will need to fill out for their business, you can post those here as public, and then everyone will see those resources in their agent resources section. Group Space is just about ready to go live, and so we're very excited to have the new groups section coming. Over here on the right, you recognize that we've got specials and news information coming out, and this is updated all the time. So when you're logging in, you'll see new information coming in directly to the news. And Megan, do you want to give any background as an agent, how you're using this?
This is just kind of where I start my day, and where if I take a lunch break and I need to come back and refocus, this gives me a really good overview of what's happening for me that day, that week, where I need to be focusing on. So it just really, I don't have to keep 100 windows open to see what's going on in my life for my business. I can just come to this place and get some good cues as to how I need to pick up after a lunch break or when I start my morning. And then also, I really like the news feed because I get a lot of emails from travel publications that I just do not have time to read, and this gets refreshed frequently. So it's going to be constant new news and little snippets, so I can have an idea of what's going on. I can read the full article if I want to, or I can just get that overview and have a good awareness of what's happening in travel. And I think with that, this was just going to be a short overview of the dashboard and an introduction to this amazing software. We're going to put out some more videos with detailed explanations of how to operate and maximize your use of this software in depth. But for now, we just wanted to give you an overview. And Mickey, I thank you for your time. And everyone, please come back and check out our other videos on how you can maximize your use of this product.